Leo rushed home from school. I want to play my game. He typed his password. Wrong. He tried again. Wrong. Again. Wrong. Suddenly, account locked. Leo froze. What? I can't get in. Robot appeared. You tried too many times. Leo frowned. Why does it lock me out? Robot explained. When someone enters the wrong password too many times, the system locks the account. It protects you. Maybe a hacker is guessing. Leo blinked. So the lock is helping me? Exactly. Leo scratched his head. But I'm not a hacker. I just forgot. Robot smiled. That's why we have recovery options. Recovery codes are backup keys. Leo's eyes widened. Backup keys. Robot explained. When you create an account, sometimes you receive a special recovery code. They are secret emergency keys. If you forget your password or get locked out, you can use them. Leo nodded. So it's like a spare key for my house. Exactly. Robot becomes serious. But never share recovery codes. Not with friends, not in chat, not in games. If someone gets your recovery code, they can enter your account. Leo gulped. So recovery codes are powerful, very powerful. What we learned, account lockouts protects you. Recovery codes help you get back in, but recovery codes must be kept in secret. Quiz. What does an account lock? To stop hackers? To make you angry? For no reason. The correct answer is A. To stop hackers. What is a recovery code? Take a look. The correct answer is B. A backup key. Should you share recovery codes? Obviously, no. If your account locks, what should you do? The correct answer is B. Use recovery options. Account lockouts stop hackers. Too many wrong tries trigger protection. Recovery codes are backup keys. Keep recovery codes secret. Security sometimes feels annoying, but it protects you.